And now is lab time. We are going to do a very basic lab this time. It will be a voice call using zip, using a soft phone. In this case, we chose to use LinPhone, although there are many other soft phones out there and software applications. But LinPhone is a pretty famous one, and yeah, we chose to use that one. You will then need to register and create an account in linphone.org, so you are able to register from a soft phone. Basically, what happens when you register in linphone.org is that you will have an extension created in their linphone PBX, and you then will be able to register there. If you don't do that, then you don't have the extension and you wouldn't be authorized basically to register. Then you will need to open the LinPhone app locally. You will add your credentials, your extension, and you should be able to register. You will know that you're registered by seeing a green dot at the left top corner of the app. And also, if you want to place an autocall to yourself, you can just place a call to zip robot at localhost, and you should receive your own call coming back to you and ringing. If then after that, as an optional task, you could register a secondary extension and place calls from one to another and analyze that traffic. To do that, you can use TCP dump, or probably easier is to use tools like Wireshark to analyze that traffic. You will just need to turn it on and look for the specific port 5060 in this case, because it's the one that CP is using. And I will show a bit of that in the next video.